In today's video, we are going to look at the chapters 7 and 8 figurative language questions for the Watsons Go to Birmingham. Before you begin, as always, put your name and your homeroom at the top of your paper. The directions tell you that in the novel, the author uses similes, metaphors, personification, and hyperboles to inform and entertain the readers. I'd like you to use the definitions and samples of figurative language in your notes to answer the questions about the excerpts below. Each question is worth 4 points. Let's do the first one together. Question 1 has, Mama sucked in a ton of air. Your father will kill you. So there are 2 things that we need to do. We need to explain what type of figurative language this is, why, and then explain what the author means. So, Mama sucked in a ton of air, your father will kill you. The first question I ask myself is this comparing anything? Because if it is comparing something, then I know it's either a simile or a metaphor. But in this case, nothing is being compared. So now I know it could only be a hyperbole or a personification. Personification is the act of giving human traits, characteristics, or abilities to something that isn't human. And that's not happening here. So we have hyperbole, or extreme exaggeration, used to make a point. So I would say this is an example of hyperbole. Then I need to explain why. I can't just use the definition of hyperbole. I need to explain why this particular sentence is a good example of hyperbole. So the first part, Mama sucked in a ton of air. A ton is a very large and very heavy quantity. No one could suck in that quantity of air. The second part, your father will kill you, well, it's pretty unlikely that Mr. Watson is going to kill Byron. He's probably just very angry. So this is an example of hyperbole because it exaggerates how much air Mama can inhale and Dad's reaction to Byron's behavior. The second part says the author means that, so we're trying to figure out what does the author mean by all of this? So the first part, Mama sucked in a ton of air. It sounds like Mama's just sighing because she's frustrated. So the author means that Mama sighed. And the second part, your father will kill you, that means that Dad's really angry. So the author means that Mama sighed and that Dad is going to be really angry with Byron when he gets home. So now I've explained what type of figurative language it is, explained why, and explained what the author means by this piece of figurative language. So we've done number 1 together, and now you need to finish 2 through 7 on your own.